When you want to resize an image that is set to the background, click on the background image. In the panel on the left-hand side, choose Detach Page Background. When you've finished any edits, leave it as a simple layer. If you choose the option Set to Background, the image will revert to its original state. You can also double-click the image background, which will open the image panel and give you the blue bounding box and control handles. You can resize your image as desired, rotate or move it, do anything you like, and then close the image panel. Your background has resized, but remains a background as opposed to changing to a layer.